due to the fact that it's getting towards the end, obviously, of winter and into spring, all that runoff, all that snow from the higher elevations is melting and going into all the creeks and streams, and then it floods into your dams and your lakes, and they gotta purge the water like that, or else you have massive overflow and flooding and issues like that. So they purge like this quite often during the spring, like it is right now. The fact that I'm catching it though at the right moment where we have that rainbow arcing through the water is so cool. Look at that. Wow. Thought you guys like to take a look at that. That's really unique. Leave a comment in the comment section if you've seen something like this, or if you witnessed the purging of water from a dam yourself, because as much as you can see this right now, as much as you can hear it, being here and hearing that roar, you can feel it in the ground. It makes it very unique sound and feeling. It's hard to explain, but that's a massive, massive amount of water coming out of that. Perfect time of day though for that rainbow. I figured I'd be able to catch it. Too cool.